edX from this site or website or app. You can get all the free courses from world's premier institutes, from Massachusetts University, Harvard University, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Berkeley University, University of California, the University of Texas, Boston University, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, and also premier institutes of the world, the University of Adelaide, Australian National University, University of Britain, and different world premier institutes. You can also get free access to these courses, around 25,000 plus online courses from 140 institutions. So you can find the course and just start it. All you need to do is to schedule yourself to these classes. What are the different courses available here? The subjects: computer science. These are different streams of computer science, and I can also learn languages, the Chinese, English, grammar, Italian, Japanese, Mandarin, sign language, Spanish. This sign language is used by army, military. You can also learn writing, how to improve your writing skills, and these are the different courses in data science. You can also learn from artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, computer programming, data analysis, learning, most booming course, Power BI, Python, quantum computing, everything for free of cost. Just register in this site, you will get notified. And also some of the business management. This is business administration, business analysis, corporate finance, economics, entrepreneurship, finance, financial literacy, project management, leadership, statistics. And from engineering, there are plenty of engineering courses available for free of cost, especially aerospace engineering, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical, industrial, mechanical, software, structural, skill. They're all the courses which are available for the free of cost. All you need is to register and stick to the schedule. From humanities, arts, child development, academics, fashion, the human anatomy, literature, psychology, public speaking, and Shakespeare. These are the different courses comes under humanities. You can just register. All you need to do is register in this site from edX, and you can also listen in different languages. You can connect them in different sites, and also there is an app called edX. You can download it from Google Play Store and you can listen. These are just click on. The interface looks like this. Just click on one of the languages if you want to learn artificial intelligence. If you click on here, be directed to page. Page will be like this structure. So if you just click on this, view all edX courses. These are the scheduled terms of artificial intelligence course. This is a curriculum, and you can just see the interface will be like this. Professional certificate program. So there is also some schedule available here, which time to which time available. These are also verified courses. Most of them are verified by the eminent professors of the world. This all for free of cost every time. So you can just learn. If you want a certificate, if you want to get certificate, or you have to write an examination by providing keys, then they will send you online the certificate. It might be an added advantage in your resume regarding the courses available in the edX site for free of cost. Even you can learn a lot of things like journalism, also medical and biomedical engineering related things. So all you need to do is register in edX site so that you will be directed these courses free of cost. If you want certificate, then it will be a cost. That's why or the cost is only for examination. So if you want to get these courses certified, so that you have to pay. Just click on this. This is the structure for all the courses that are available. Even music, medicine, literature, law, humanities was seen earlier, food and nutrition, physics, environmental studies, energy and earth sciences, education and teacher training, economic and finance, design, health and safety, and social sciences, ethics, philosophy and ethics. There are all the courses available in edX site. Take advantage of these sites and learn. Share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.